Drum roll, please. Here are 5 investors who became millionaires through Bitcoin. Eddy Zillian is the first one on the list. When Eddy Zillian started trading in cryptocurrencies 3 years ago, he was 15 years old. Zillian glossed over the site's terms of agreement and opened an account. He cautiously purchased $100 of the cryptocurrency Ether. When Zillian checked his accounts a few hours later, after investing the $100, he found he'd already made $10. Though it may not sound like much, Zillian says he was hooked. The next day, Zillian put more cash in. This time, it was $1,000. A week later, he added $5,000, and the week after that, another $6,000. Before long, Zillian had invested of just under $12,000, the entirety of his savings from teaching tennis lessons. In one short year, Zillian's initial investment had snowballed. He says his entire cryptocurrency portfolio had hit $350,000. Today, his portfolio sits around $1 million. Second on the list, Tyler and Cameronwinklevoss. If their name sounds familiar, it should. Tyler and Cameronwinklevoss were the twins that sued Mark Zuckerberg over Facebook and won $65 million. They claim to own approximately 1% of all Bitcoins in circulation and have devised an elaborate system to store their private key for their assets. Number 3, Michael Novogratz. Billionaire Michael Novogratz has invested approximately 30% of his fortune in cryptocurrencies. He began investing in 2015 and announced a $500 million crypto fund. That includes $150 million of his own fortune in 2017. Number 4, Dan Conway. Dan Conway was a 45-year-old middle manager at a multimedia company in San Francisco. He was earning a respectable $150K per year, but hated the company culture, their bureaucracy, and the endless chains of command. He converted his life savings to Gemini in the exchange for 6,993 Ether at an average price of $14. In June of 2016, his $100,000 investment was worth less than $40K. Conway didn't waver. He transferred more money from his equity line to Gemini, not recommended by the way, then borrowed another $200,000 on his home, and he was $300K in the hole. And then something happened. Ethereum went up to $50 a coin. It kept going up. Between February and March of 2017, Ethereum shot from $15 to $50 a coin. In April, it was $70. By May, it was $230. In a span of 4 months, my $300,000 investment ballooned to $6 million, and he was rich. Eric Finnman. Eric Finnman at the age of 12. Finnman struck a deal with his parents to be able to skip college in pursuit of an unorthodox education. His parents agreed provided he could invest successfully. Here's the deal. He had to turn $1,000 measly into cash that his grandmother gave him into $1 million. Finnman purchased about $1,000 worth of Bitcoin when the fledgling currency was sitting around $12 per coin. He also purchased other digital currencies, including Ether, which is Ethereum's native token. Finnman was successful at his goals, making himself a self-made millionaire at just the age of 18. Cryptocurrency, like any other investment, comes with risks. It is no different from playing the market or starting your own business. You need to have a strategy. If you want to learn how you can put cryptocurrencies in your IRA, check out our website at noblebitcoin.com, get the free guides, and I think you're going to learn a lot about how we are able to help people really grow their portfolios with some of these incredible digital currencies.